Practice was formed about 10 years back to assist investors, business owners, founders, and managements to improve enterprise valuation in their companies.
At Practice, our purpose is to deliver an ROI and improve business outcomes significantly for our customers.
Any entrepreneur, any businessman, any investor who is looking to grow companies, who is looking to professionalize management, who is looking to make companies process-driven rather than people-driven, turn to Practice.
As leaders in CFO services segment, we offer a wide range of solutions in the finance domain and business transformation to our clients.
If you're looking for transformation, automation, post-merger integration, project management, any kind of CFO, CIO, CEO services, turn to Practice. Practice will serve you. Practice has their high-quality professionals.
Most of our solutions provide anywhere between 3x to 12x ROI, which makes it a win-win situation for both us and the client.
Through building a digital process at an early stage and integrating the wider organization with technology, businesses can stay ahead of the cost curve and program for scale.
The exposure that we have across the global plethora of clients and across all industries helps us to bring all that to any one client in perspective, so that they get the best out of the entire knowledge that we have.
Bigger problems represent even much bigger opportunities, and technology, with its wide spread of applications, opens a window for all of us.
We were born to solve what we call as the implementation problem, and that's when clients call us. When they need someone who can roll up their sleeves and take operational responsibility.
We are fundamentally looking to alter the way in which consulting firms operate and deliver value to its customers.
We as a company are trained with a DNA to provide impact in the business by improving the profitability.
We have now developed sector-specific capabilities with the sole objective of delivering a higher return on investment to our clients.
We believe in creating and providing opportunities and avenues to our team to achieve this outcome.
Over the last 10 years, Practice has worked with over 700 companies across the globe, and we have assisted these clients through our offices in New York, in Dubai, and in India.
We make life easier for CFOs, CEOs, founders, and the promoter group by solving their most important problems in their finance function.
Let me tell you a little secret sauce. Starting small but thinking big.
We collaborate successfully with stakeholders in delivering tangible results, with ROI being a key enabler. In doing so, we are building a better world for our people, for our customers, business partners, and the community.
We are Practice.
We are Practice.
We are Practice.
We are Practice.
We are Practice.